Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Fiat 500 with a key. First, ensure your car is in neutral or park. Then, insert the key fully into the ignition slot. Turn the key clockwise to the MAR position, which powers up the dashboard. Finally, turn it further to the AVV position and hold briefly until the engine starts. Release the key once the engine is running smoothly. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. If your Fiat 500 isn't starting, don't panic. First, check your car's battery. A low charge is a common culprit. Make sure the key is fully inserted and recognized by the car's immobilizer system. Listen for any unusual clicking or grinding sounds when you turn the key, which could indicate other issues. Also, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked, as this can prevent the key from turning properly. These checks can often resolve minor starting problems. Proper care of your key and ignition can prevent future headaches. Always keep your key dry and clean to avoid damage to its internal electronics. Never force the key into the ignition. If it doesn't turn easily, try wiggling the steering wheel slightly. Periodically check your car's battery terminals for corrosion, ensuring a strong connection. Having a spare key is also a smart move, saving you trouble if your primary key is lost or damaged. Always prioritize safety when starting your Fiat 500. Ensure the parking brake is engaged before you begin, and never leave a running vehicle unattended, even for a moment. These simple habits keep you and others safe. And speaking of smart solutions, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and self-emptying features, perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Remember to consult your owner's manual for any specific details about your model.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.